Mama, not too much.
Spread mo.
Not too much, baby. It's okay na. Not too much. Not too much. Here, Mama. Not too much, baby. It's okay. Not too much.
Yan.
There's more. Tomato. You want to put tomato? Hmm?
Gusto mo bacon? You want bacon?
Ano nagawa lang?
Bacon and mushroom. You want?
Mushroom? Okay. Not too much. Not too much, Mama. Not too much.
Ang tawag dito ay margarita.
Hello. Gusto ka niya margarita.
Ah, ito margarita.
Ito malagyan ka ng pepperoni and bacon. Ayun o, may ham
Okay.
and pineapple.
Liam, you want to put this one?
Mga
Olive?
bata ko.
You want to put vegetable?
Siguraduhin yung maganda yan, ha? Heart shape.